Hi, this is Rob at Article Jockey, and this is an intro video to get you up and running quickly with Article Jockey so you can create some SEO optimized content for your websites and for posting to article directories. When you first get to articlejockey.com and you need to either sign up or log in, just click on one of these links here. And if you're creating a new account, just put in your name and email address and password and click sign up, and we'll send you an email with your login information and it will log you in. Since I already created one, I'm going to just use mine and put that in there. And I come to step 1, enter keywords. I researched some keywords and I have a list here, and I'm going to do tattoo design is my main keyword. So I go ahead and I paste that in here. And I have a bunch of other keywords that I researched, and I paste them in to the box below. Click add to list. Now it says step 2, mark your SEPs. What are SEPs? SEPs are search engine proven synonyms. So how do I know which ones are SEPs? Well, I'm going to show you. If I go to Google and I type in tattoo design with a tilde symbol, this is the little symbol to the left of the 1 key in the upper left-hand corner of your keyboard. If I put a tilde symbol before tattoo and before design, what's going to show up in bold in the Google search results are all of the search engine proven synonyms for the word tattoo and design. So you'll see things like tribal designs and Celtic tattoos and body art and tattoo body art designs and things like this. You can see tribal tattoos, Celtic tattoos, design tattoos, things like this. Those are the search engine proven synonyms. And because I've already done this, I know which ones are which. So I'm going to go ahead and check off my ones that are search engine proven synonyms, which are the ones at the top of my list here. And the other ones are just other keywords I've researched that have traffic that I'm trying to get some traffic for. And I click prioritize keywords. If I want to start over, I make a mistake, I want to add some keywords, I can just click the start over link. I click prioritize keywords, and that takes me over here to step 3, create content. You'll notice over here on the left, all of my keywords in my list have now been color-coded and prioritized 1 through 6. What's this all about? Well, if I try to create a piece of content and I want to get traffic for tattoo design and I want to rank highly for that keyword, and all I do is use the word tattoo design over and over again in my content, well, that's looked at as to the search engines as your keyword spamming, and doesn't go over so well. The best thing to do is to use all these search engine proven synonyms, but which ones are more important than others? With Article Jockey, it tells you exactly. The ones that are ranked number 1 and color-coded green are the most important. Why? Because the first one here, as you see, body art, does not have the word tattoo or design or any form thereof anywhere in the phrase body art. So by using body art in my content, I am able to use something that's considered a search engine proven synonym, but is what's considered purely diverse from my main keyword. And it won't affect the main keyword density of my content. So I can use it willy-nilly, really, and it's not going to be looked at as keyword spamming for the phrase tattoo design. Rank number 2 in blue are what are called partially diverse search engine proven synonyms. That's because tattoo can be found within tribal tattoos, but it's not just a long tail tattoo design or tribal tattoo design. It's actually a different form of the word, and therefore it's ranked number 2. That would be the second most important word to use because it is a search engine proven synonym, but it is not just a long tail version of tattoo design. Ranked number 3 in black are what are considered diverse search engine proven synonyms. These have some form of the main keyword somewhere in there. As you see, tattoo designs, plural, design tattoos, plural. They're just different forms of that. But they are search engine proven synonyms, so you want to use them. Then we have, so all the ones that are ranked 1, 2, and 3 are search engine proven synonyms, the ones that I checked off in the previous step. The ones that are ranked 4, 5, and 6 are not search engine proven synonyms. They're just other keywords. But how they relate back to the main theme keyword and how they're color-coded and prioritized is what matters. Here we have ranked number 4 in green, which would be the next best thing to use. This is henna art. And that would be an expert verbiage phrase because, number 1, it's not a search engine proven synonym, and number 2, it's completely diverse from my main keyword of tattoo design. It doesn't have any word tattoo or design anywhere in there. So that would be a very important word to use. Why would I want to use it? Well, my keyword research tells me that there's a lot of traffic for that, and it certainly is not going to affect both my main theme keyword density or any of my search engine proven synonym densities because it is completely diverse from all of that. If you look here on the bottom, you'll see there's a bunch of statistics: main theme keyword density, word count, SEPs keyword density, main keyword prominence, and below my content box is some search engine optimization tips. So I'm going to show you what happens. I put my cursor here, I click on tattoo design to paste that word in. These are all buttons too. I can paste in some HTML tags if I want to use those. And these are all links too. If I click on any of these keywords, it'll paste it in wherever the cursor is. So I'm going to create a piece of content here, and as soon as I start typing, you'll notice that everything starts updating over here. And as I type more, as you can see, all the stats here are getting updated in real time. So I have the word tattoo design in my first sentence, and there's 11 words in my content so far, and 11% of my content is just my main theme keyword. And it tells me over here my main theme keyword density is too high. It should be less than 4%. As I add more words to my content that don't have the word tattoo design or any form thereof in there, it will lower my main theme keyword density, and once I get it below 4%, this will change to excellent in green, and I'll be good to go. My SEPs keyword density is also too high, as it tells me. It should be 2.5% or less. And as I type words in my content that don't have any keywords in them, you'll see that all these keyword densities will drop. So I'll just type in here a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And I'm just going to copy that. Paste it in a couple times just to show you. And now, because that doesn't contain any of my keywords, my main theme keyword density is now below 4%, tells me excellent, and tells me my SEPs density, which is below 2.5%, is excellent. It tells me my main keyword prominence needs to be between 50 and 60%. The way I do that is it tells you to add your main theme keyword to the beginning or end of my content. Well, I'm going to go ahead and paste it in at the end, which will balance it out. And now you'll see that all of a sudden, my main keyword prominence score is also excellent. Because I just used my main theme keyword again, now it threw off my main theme keyword density, and I have to put some other words in my content. As you can see, as you go along, it's going to optimize your content. It's going to tell you what your keyword densities are. Over here on the right, it tells you all of these words here broken into single words, tells you the densities on each one of those if you need to know that. And over here, your long tail usage, these are the ones that are ranked 5 and 6. Which are long tail versions of your main keyword. It tells you how many of those you should use, ideally 15. And as you start pasting them in, what's going to happen is it's going to count down and says I should use now 13 and this kind of thing. So that's how you create an SEO optimized piece of content with Article Jockey. And if you need to start over, you just go over here to the members area. And you can delete that piece of content after you've copied and pasted into your word processor or your web editor and start over with a new one. And if you want to resume editing, you just click right there. If you log out and log back in and forget your password, just type in the email address that you used when you signed up. And over here where it says forgot your password, just it fills it in automatically, and you click submit, and it will email you your password. Hope that gets you up to speed quickly, getting some SEO optimized content ready for your websites and for posting to article directories. And hope you get a lot of traffic, and I hope this helps you make some money online.